welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video on the stunning 2018 Mitsubishi Triton Exceed. Starting off at the front, I'm going to walk you through, show you the condition and some of the features of the actual vehicle. At the front, as you can see, we've got that really nice dark grey chrome kind of look to the front grille, which does look absolutely incredible and it does tie in really nicely with the nice titanium paintwork as well. The headlights in this model are nice and sharp. You've got the projector headlight in there as well, and just down the bottom you have also got the fog lights. Paintwork all along the front of the vehicle does present like new. There is very minimal in terms of stone chips and stuff on the front there. That first alloy wheel, really nice design with the black and chrome look to it, completely unmarked. There's still plenty of tread left in those tires too. All along this side of the paintwork does present in remarkable condition. You've got the chrome side mirrors and door handles, as you can see. Just stands out really nicely, and being the Exceed model, you do get the keyless entry. So just pressing that button does unlock the car and unfold the mirrors. And if we have a look inside, all the seat bolsters do present like new, so really good condition on the interior here. Scuff plates are in brilliant condition, and even those doors where we get lazy and kick the doors open, very minimal wear there as well. Side step just to help you get in and out of the vehicle. Even the back of the cabin, continuing that iconic Triton J line, which maximizes the amount of space your backseat passengers get. So iconic to the Triton range, is a very good design, and even the tub, the paintwork all the way along the tub is in brilliant condition as well. That next wheel, once again, completely unmarked, still plenty of tread in the tires as well. Up on the top of the tub, we have got the sports bars and soft tonneau cover fitted. If we just peel this open quickly, I will just show you inside the tub. So as you can see, you've got your rubber floor mats in there and the tub liner, which is just going to protect the paintwork inside your tub. Closing that back up, we have got a tow bar fitted down the bottom as well. So if we keep making our way along this side now, the fuel filler cap is on the passenger side, being the safe side. The next alloy wheel, once again completely unmarked, still plenty of tread left in those tires as well. Paintwork does present in remarkable condition all the way along the side of the vehicle, so from front to back the paintwork does actually present really well for a vehicle that was designed for work and comfort. What we're going to do now is pop open the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Alright, taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have is a 4-cylinder 2.4 litre turbo diesel engine with a 5-speed automatic gearbox. ANCAP safety rating is 5 stars with 7 airbags, so everyone inside is going to be nice and safe. We've got a power rating of 133 kilowatts and a torque rating of 430 newton meters. The diesel fuel tank holds 75 litres of fuel, giving you a combined fuel consumption of 7.6 litres per 100 and an average fuel distance of about 987 kilometers from a full tank. You can look inside the Triton. Now on the driver's side door you do get your power window controls. Front driver's side is automatic up and down. On the right hand side of the steering wheel here you have got your headlight adjuster to change the angle of your headlights. Above that is a toggle for your power mirrors, including a button that lets you actually fold them in. You've got a blank button, traction control, and you have actually got the REDARC Tow Pro brake controller fitted in here as well. So really nice and tidy. All you see is the actual dial for the brake controller. There is no big unit that hangs down near your knee. Above that is the engine ignition button. So to turn the car on, just foot on the brake and press that button. Now on the right hand stalk you have got your indicators as well as your automatic headlights. So just leaving it in auto, the car will decide when it actually needs to use them. And on the left hand side, all your washer and wiper controls. Now the wipers themselves are also auto. On the steering wheel you've got your cruise control settings on the right and all your media controls and hands-free call settings and controls on the left. You've also got 2 paddle shifters behind the steering wheel if you did want to change your gears manually. On into the middle, it's probably Mitsubishi's best entertainment system so far. You get AM and FM radio. You've also got digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which uses Google Maps for your navigation. You've also got HDMI and USB inputs. Down here you've got dual zone climate control, so a passenger can have a separate temperature to the driver. Down there again your hazard button, and below that again you've got your heated seats, so really good for winter when we don't want to sit on cold leather. Next to that is your rear diff lock, 2 blank buttons, a USB input and a 12-volt socket. Just down here you've also got your HDMI and another USB port. Under here again, a little bit of storage if you wanted to maybe keep your phone or something there. On the shifter itself, if you bring it down into drive, you can bump it to the right into sports shift and switch through the gears manually with the shifter or the paddles behind the wheels. You've got your four-wheel drive selector behind here, so you can switch through a couple of your four-wheel drive modes on the fly up to 100 kilometers an hour, hard handbrake, and the great thing about this car is it does come with 2 factory keys. Center console, which when you open it up, you do get 2 parts to it, so you can store a wallet or something up here, and inside there you've got a 12-volt socket and plenty more storage. Now if we just quickly pan around the interior, you will notice that the leather in this vehicle is in really good condition, so very well looked after inside and out. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video on this stunning Triton. As you can see, in this kind of condition, on this kind of kilometers, it is awesome value, so please do not miss the opportunity. Something I would highly recommend is please ask us about the glass coat, because in this kind of condition, that's going to give you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork and protect you against bird droppings, bat droppings, fading, oxidization, and much more. The other thing I would recommend is the premium mechanical protection plan. Sorry, couldn't get that out. That will give you another 5 years of cover on top of your manufacturer's warranty on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. You also get up to 10 years of platinum roadside assist and up to 200,000 kilometers on the clock of coverage. Now, even though these things are additional costs, if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, would love to talk to you about your finance packages and tailor something to suit your needs, which will work everything in there for you as well. Just before I go, have a look at our Google reviews as well. 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews from customers Australia-wide, so we make the process easy. We ensure that you are buying a good quality vehicle from the right people. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call us on 990 70 555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.